In front of me is TECNO Pova 6 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can apply app layout on this device. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called OS Launcher from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then hit Get Started, select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Following that, select while using the app and allow. Close and add. Hit Set as Default and tap on Launcher Pro to apply it. As you can see, after that, mine was successfully applied. If you want to go back to the default one, you can always do that by going back to the same app, tapping Set as Default and hitting Default Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!